join in on the fun and grab your glue gun. It's the Preppy Crafty Girl Show.
Hey everyone, it's Jonna, the Preppy Crafty Girl, and I am here for a Happy Mail share from my dear sweet friend Carol at the Crinkled Path. And I'm laughing because she put on here Prairie Girls Gather, which is the hashtag for what we're doing over the next 5 weeks. Well, it was 6 weeks altogether because yesterday we had to do a video where we pre-recorded all of our covers. So I'm going to link everybody in the description box below. Please go check out their channels, check out what journals they're working on. And it is just going to be such a fun time. I'm super excited about this series, and it's been a long time since I've been excited about working in journals. I took on 6. I'm hoping I can get all 6 finished. I think I will be able to, and I have just been pulling everything from my stash and going and trying to source some things, and it has been a lot of fun living my childhood out at my age. So, but anyway, it's been fun going down memory lane. So I had to laugh because it's so funny because I've been making mistakes. I keep calling it the Prairie Girls Gathering. And I know on our hashtag on one of our thumbnails, it just said hashtag Prairie Girls. So I'm just laughing because she put it in big bold letters. This is our hashtag. So anyway, she's so sweet. She put thank you for being you. Anyway, dear, just love. And oh my gosh, what did you send me? I know I ordered some things from her, but we shall see what is in the box. Or bag. First off, I love that sound of glassine bag. Let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness. What is this? A spinning wheel with a cat. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I love that. I love that. That is adorable. I think I have this fabric, but in green, but I know it didn't have this on it because I went back and looked. It had like owls and an apple basket and stuff like that, but mine's in green. But really cute. That's adorable. Thank you. Is this like you pulled this all together for me to make a journal out of it? Because it looks like everything I need is right here. Look at this sweet trim. That is super sweet. I don't know if you can see that. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Carol. Oh my gosh. Well, I may have to make a few others. Love this. I don't have any navy rickrack, so this is awesome. Was this like a cover that you thought about making? And we're laughing because we're like, oh gosh, I hope we can. Oh, this is stretchy. Super cute. I hope we can finish it all out, right? Oh, look how sweet this is. The yellow gingham with the little flowers on it. I love this. And then the orange, it all matches. It's like a little kit, which go on the districtmarket.net, and I think that's what it's called. I'm going to put the link below because I know Carol on her live sale, which you could go back and look at last week's live sale. She had some amazing kits that she put together specifically for the Prairie Girls Gather. So if you don't have anything and you want to join in, go check out her little shop on District Market and pick yourself up one of her kits because they were amazing and it was everything you needed to make a journal. I mean, you probably wouldn't have to gather anything else. She had everything in there. So if you want to join in and you don't have anything, go and purchase some stuff from her. What? Why are you sharing this? Oh my goodness. I mean, I'm so thankful and grateful, but look how cute this is. Oh, I have 2 girls, so that's really sweet. This is so cute. This is actual Holly Hobby fabric. Oh my gosh, this is so precious. What? Oh no. Am I going to have more journals in my future? I think so. Let's see. Oh gosh, look at this. This is quilted. What? Where did you find all this Holly Hobby fabric? I love it. This in itself would make a great journal cover. Oh my goodness, and here's another one. Look at this one. This is like bedding. Like it came off a sham or something, a pillow sham or a quilt. This is going to be so fun to use. Hello. Oh my goodness. Maybe I should make a patriotic Holly Hobby book. Look at that. I love it. Carol, oh my gosh, I love it. She was so funny because she texted this morning when I told her that my package came because it was supposed to be scheduled for yesterday, but I knew because we were having heavy duty rain out here and the mail people, well, she said it got sent UPS, but I know they don't like to come on rainy days to my home or this area because it's very hilly and very woodsy and they're afraid of branches falling on them. I mean, I talked to the guy, so I know. I'm like, branches falling on you. I don't remember that being part of the oath of the mail carrier, but I think that's just USPS anyway that had that little oath. But yeah, so I told her, I said, don't worry, they're probably going to come in the morning because it's not supposed to rain in the morning. And I said, it'll be interesting to see if he comes down the hill or if he just leaves the package up by the top of the hill, because I've had that happen too. So I've had them come and just stick it in the tree limb above my, there's a tree above my mailbox, and they'll just put it in the tree limb, like on the tree limb. It's so crazy. So because they don't want to come down the hill. And yeah, I have no idea. I guess because I live in a basically flat state, but where my home is, it's very hilly here. And I have a very steep hill going down into my house, which goes down into the lake. So yeah, I know they have shared that they don't enjoy coming down here. So, but he did. He ended up walking down the hill and he dropped it off at my door. So I was really proud of him. So, okay. Anyway, super excited about that. And sure enough, it did come today because it wasn't raining. So I knew that would happen. Oh, thank you for sending me extra pages out of your book. The Prairie. Oh, yeah, she did. I saw this. She showed this on her, the book cover on her channel, on her video. Foods from the Woods, Wilds, and Water. Oh, I have to remember that. I probably have some nature books I need. Look at that, roasting a turkey. I could go for roasted turkey. Look at this. You have a Holly Hobby book that's this big? Oh my. And she's got daisies. You're giving up a daisy? Because I know you're doing a daisy journal. Oh, I was born in March. I love it. Thank you so much. Oh, isn't she adorbs? Look at this. You sent me like a whole red, white, and blue series. Is that like a hint? Love it. So cute. Little sunbonnet baby. Oh my goodness, look at this quilt. This is pretty. Okay. I have a feeling that you already had collected all this stuff and you were going to make it, so now you're offloading it to me. Is that what's happening here? Because it all matches. It all matches. Like all the red, white, and blue. It all matches. It's all making sense now. What was that old, there was an old song from the 70s that had that lyric in it. It's all coming back to me now. That's it. So anyway, this is like all perfect. Oh my gosh. All right, Missy. I may take up the challenge. I don't know. We'll see. If I don't do it right now. Oh, what? Doris Day? No way. Oh my goodness, for my Doris and Daisy's book I'm doing for myself. Oh, I cannot wait. Look at this. Oh, she reminds me so much of my mom. Whoops. Oh goodness, there's all kinds of goodies. Okay, I did buy these thingamabobbies from her, these little pop things, because those I thought were just so much fun and cool. Love it. That was at the live sale. She was offering these and everybody was buying them. It was like, oh my gosh, so much fun. What? Ah, I love this. Okay, wait, I got all kinds of stuff falling out. Oh, I see Snoopy. What do we got here? What? This is amazing. Oh my goodness. And she's actually in here. Okay, wait. She sent me way too much stuff. Okay. I'm telling you, these girls are just so sweet. Oh my goodness. Look at, she's actually in here. Where in the world did you find this? Where did you find this? This is unbelievable. I love her. I love this. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Ah. Oh my. This is so amazing. Thank you so much. Look at this one with the daisies in it, because she's doing a daisy journal too for, oh my goodness, these are cool. Like phonics cards. Isn't that pretty? These are so pretty. I love dahlias. I think I can grow dahlias here. I haven't had any. Okay, so I bought some bulbs last year, and I thought that the Nutri-Rat had dug everything up, but all of a sudden I have these really weird red flowers. I've never seen them before, and they sprouted up by my tree, so I need to take a picture and send it to you since you know all about all things. And I think they came out of the bulbs, but they were like kind of washed down the hill because I don't remember planting them where they came up. And they are really interesting looking. So I felt like I planted the bulbs at the wrong time of the year. This year I bought two different bulbs. I bought hyacinth because I love the smell of hyacinth. And I bought, what was the other one that I got? Maybe it was dahlias. I think you plant those in the fall. I'm not sure. But I bought two things of bulbs, and this is just amazing. Okay, let me get back on track. I'm just in awe. Like, seriously. Oh my gosh, Carol. I can't believe she texted me and said, oh, I hope you like it. Are you kidding me? Look at these. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, look at these daisy cards. These are going to be so fun. I love these. I love these. Look at that. Oh, it's got daisies on here. Huh? What? Little stamp things. Oh my gosh, look at these. Thank you so much. Every time I do my Doris and Daisy, every time I look at it, I will think of you and say a prayer for you, my friend. Oh, look at this. Okay. So this will not be going in the journal only because I have a collection of these in a wood bowl of daisy handkerchiefs in my bedroom. So this is going to actually go in there with those, but I love it. I may have to scan it. Maybe I'll just scan it and make a pocket for my journal. Love it. Look at this. It'll be more fun. Is this an invitation? Oh, yes, how cute. That is so cute. Oh, look at this one. Man, this is actual Holly Hobby. You really were collecting for a long time, girl. You had some interesting things. Oh, look at this little memory card, the daisy. You know, as many memory card games as I've bought over the years, it doesn't have any daisies in it. Oh, these are going to be perfect for my shampoo and comb for my beauty school dropout. Oh, look at these guys. Love it. Oh, these are so cute. Little trinkets. Thank you. Okay, I know that I think I bought this because nobody bought it and it was sitting there, and I didn't want it to, yeah, I couldn't believe nobody wanted this one, but it is a Romper Room book, and Romper Room actually was filmed on the same soundstage as where my dad was directing. And so when we were little, got to go see the soundstage, and love it. I love it. I love this book. I could not believe that nobody got it. And I was like, no book left behind. So I got it. Anyway, really cute. I may just repair it. That's adorbs. Okay, I wanted this one, of course, because it's TV. So, oh my goodness, this is so cute. TV Pals. you know, television was such a big part of my childhood because of my mother and father. It's all a part of my growing up years. And this is really fun. What a fun book. Okay, I'm going to have fun looking at that. What do we got? Oh my goodness. I thought this was from the Jackson 5. Oh, I love it. 1977. That's great. I love that. Look at these. Okay, I have this set. And I saw you haul it and I wasn't going to send it to you. That's funny. I love her. These are so cute. So you got Holly Hobby cards? These are so cute. The ones I sent you guys, I actually ordered off Etsy. I didn't have any Holly Hobby cards. I went on a search, and yes, they're very expensive. So, love that. I don't know what these things... Oh, yes, I remember these. Oh, my gosh, I remember these on the shelf. They're actually like covers for coin covers, but those will be funny. But I'm going to put these in my journal only because I remember what was going on in the chat at the time of these. So funny. They crack me up. Oh, we'll never look at those as the same. Oh, wow. Oh, there's a little vintage camper. This is camping. Oh, that's so cool. A car, and I see the camper in the background. That is neat. Thank you so much for that. Love it. What's we got in here? Gosh, even more. This is going to be so much fun. Look at the Doris Day on the mailbox. Now it's making me want to go and watch a couple of her movies. I might have to watch Pillow Talk today. Pillow Talk. Oh, these are so cute. These are so cute. Thank you so much. Good looking. Oh my goodness. Okay, he may have to go on my desk. Oh, it's great. Yes, I love the roller skate. This is gonna go in my journal for sure. Oh, and you gave up some of your Snoopy. Joe Cool. Love him. Very cute. Oh, this is awesome. Thank you so much. This is awesome. Yes, I know this one for sure. Mud. Oh, Lordy. I'm going to have to play this on guitar. Huh. Isn't that neat? What does this say on there? A contemporary concept. Solid sound for stage bands arrangements. Neat. Anyway, oh my gosh, Carol, this was so generous. I can't even tell you thank you enough. You are just a wonderful friend, and not because you gifted me things, but you just been there, and it's just been such a joy and a pleasure getting to know you. Oh, I missed some things, and oh, that's going to be great for my beauty school dropout book. Oh, look at him. Red Baron. I love the Red Baron. I love the Red Baron. I'm going to put that up on my shelf. So, look how cute. These are so cute. Yeah, I have that same set. That's so funny. But anyway, it's been such a pleasure getting to know you, and I look forward to our future events and actually getting to meet you in person. I can't wait, and just give you a big hug and just cry together. So, yeah, you've been a godsend. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you soon. Bye.
The preppy crafty girl living in her crafty world. She loves creating